All righty.
Hi, Judge.
Ms. Kenyatta, good morning. All right, Ms. Kenyatta, you're charged with the offense of, I'm sorry. You're charged with the offense of simple battery. Well, Ms. Kenyatta, I'm gonna dismiss the warrant and sign something for your release today, okay, ma'am? Thank you very much.
Come on, Ms. Santiago. Please face next back on Ms. Kenyatta. Please stand.
Ms. Santiago, good morning. Charged with battery and criminal trespass. Your bond will normally be $5,000, but I'm gonna allow you to sign out on an OR bond, meaning you can sign yourself out. You're to have no violent contact with Mr. Smith, okay? You can go back home, but you can't get into any fighting, any pushing or shoving. Do you understand? All righty, I'm gonna appoint counsel to assist you, Ms. Santiago. And Ms. Santiago, your next court date is August the 4th at 8 a.m. in courtroom 201. 4th, 8 a.m., courtroom 201. Thank you, ma'am.
Judge Cooper, next is Ms. Martin, Najee Martin from yesterday.
They didn't send me any paperwork at all, but okay.
He said fugitive.
Yeah. Okay, Ms. Martin, good morning. Yesterday we spoke and you said that you wanted to have a chance to consult with counsel. You had a chance to consult with counsel?
I didn't. They're supposed to be here today I thought court was gonna be at 1, so they're supposed to come here today, my lawyer, but I didn't know the time, so.
Okay. All righty, got you.
Because my lawyer wanted to look over and see what's going on before I make a decision.
All righty. All righty, I'm gonna have you have to deal with that a little later, okay? Because I want you to have the assistance of counsel. Thank you, ma'am.
The next is Warner, sir. Come on. Actually, add-on. Come over here, honey. Stand at the podium. You said my name wrong.
Give me your name again, please.
Antoinette Warner.
Okay, Ms. Warner, give me 1 second.
Yeah, she said he wants to.
All right, Ms. Warner, your charge is alleged that you possess marijuana greater than 1 ounce. The bond is $6,000. Will you be able to make bond, ma'am?
No.
Okay. Ms. Warner, I am going to appoint counsel to assist you. And as a condition of your bond, again, you're not to violate any laws while you're out on bond. Okay, Ms. Warner?
Yes,
And your court date is August the 5th at 8 a.m. in courtroom 201. August the 5th, 8 a.m. courtroom 201. Thank you, ma'am. What is your name, ma'am?
Erica Tramble.
Ms. Tramble, good morning.
Morning.
Ms. Tramble, it is alleged, ma'am, that you possess marijuana greater than 1 ounce. The offense of speeding and also driving while your license is suspended. Do you understand the allegations or do they require to be read to you, ma'am?
I understand.
Okay. Ms. Tramble, your bond this morning will be $8,000. Will you be able to make bond, Ms. Tramble? Okay.
8,000, 10% of 8,000 is what, 800?
Correct. Ms. Tramble, I am going to appoint counsel to assist you, and your next court date is August the 5th at 8 a.m. in courtroom 201. Okay, ma'am?
Okay.
Thank you very much.
All right, Judge, we're gonna get started with the.
Yes, sir.
Stay right there. Stay there. Mr. Kennedy. Go back in there. Go back there. Didn't he just tell you to stay right
Don't come
there?
out that door. Don't come out the door. No.
Be quiet, though.
All right, we're gonna get started. Apparatio. Go to the podium. Boom. Have a seat on that bench. Yeah, have a seat on the bench. Carol. All right, have a seat on the bench. Go to that bench on. Hold.
Mr. Aparicio, good morning.
All right, sir.
Sir, it is alleged that you committed criminal trespass, also committed battery, simple battery, as well as obstruction of an officer.
Yes,
Do you
sir.
understand the allegations, or do you, sir?
Yes, sir. But about the officer,
Hold on. Let's one thing at a time. Do you understand, or do you want me to read it to you?
can you reread it?
All right, yes, sir. It is alleged that you committed trespass by taking Lori Odom's mobile phone without her permission, as well as her car keys. Also, in terms of simple batteries, alleged that you slapped her in the right side of her face. And the obstruction is your failure to answer the police officers when they asked you to identify yourself in regards to their investigation. That is the allegation. Now, whether you're guilty of it or anything, that's just the allegation. Do you understand the allegations as read, sir?
Yes, sir.
All righty. Now, $6,000, but I'm going to allow you to sign out on an OR bond. You can sign yourself out.
Okay.
There is a condition. You got to have no violent contact with Miss Odom. Do you live at that home?
No, sir. But I used to stay there, but I'll get that situated. I'm back. I'll move back with my brother. And
Okay, hold on. You always want to talk. I want you to listen. Do you have anything that you need to get from that home, sir?
yes, sir. But I'll get my brother to do that.
Okay, well, that's all right. I'm gonna put on here that, just in case your brother didn't get everything, you can contact the sheriff and they'll go with you to get your stuff. All right, so there should be no problem with that issue then. Your next court date, Mr. is August the 4th,
August 4th.
August 4th.
Mr. Cooper, you froze.
Okay. His next court date is August 4th at 8 a.m. in courtroom 201. August the 4th, 8 a.m., courtroom 201.
Okay, got you, sir.
Thank you, sir. That's all.
All right, thank you.
Yes, sir. Mr. Bone,
Yes, sir.
good morning. Mr. Says that you violated a stop sign violation as well as possessed marijuana greater than an ounce. I'm not authorized to grant you a bond this morning, Mr. Bone, because it has that you're currently on probation. Mr. Bone, I'm appointing counsel to assist you. Your next court date is going to be the 5th of August at 8 a.m. in courtroom 201. August the 5th, 8 a.m. courtroom 201. All right, sir?
One second, do your face mask.
William Carroll.
Carol, good morning. Mr. Carroll, it's alleged that you committed the offense of battery as well as cruelty to children in the 3rd degree. Do you understand the allegations, sir, or do you require it to be read to you?
I understand the allegations.
All right, sir. Mr. Carroll, your bond is $7,000. Will you be able to make bond, sir?
My wallet is at home.
You're going to try your best. I got you. I'm going to appoint counsel to assist you, Mr. Carroll. Now, Mr. Carroll, I have in front of me here. The issue is whether or not I ban you from your home while this is going on, or I just put that you cannot have any violent contact with Miss Carroll. I see you have 2 very young children.
Yes, sir.
Um,
I mean, if she's there, I can go somewhere else. To my understanding, she said that she's going to try to leave, but if she's there, I can just leave.
all right. I'm going to ask that you stay away from her.
Yes, sir.
I'm not going to ban you from the house, but you got to figure that out.
Yes, sir.
All righty. I'm appointing counsel to assist you, Mr. Carroll. And sure, your next court date is August the 4th at 8 a.m. in courtroom 201. August the 4th, 8 a.m., 201. You clear, sir?
Yes, sir.
All righty. Now, again, if you violate the order, Mr. Carroll, you could be rearrested. All right? Thank you.
Please make some, tell him your name.
Ulysses Clark.
Mr. Clark, good morning. Mr. Clark, it's alleged that you, allegation of abandonment. I'm gonna allow you to sign yourself out, but let me back up. Do you understand the allegation, sir, or do you require it to be read to you?
I understand, sir.
All right, got it. I'm gonna allow you to sign yourself out. I'm also to assist you. Your next court date is gonna be, the 4th of August at 8 a.m. in courtroom 201, okay?
Sir.
All right, thanks. Any question?
No, sir. Thank you.
Bye.
Good morning, y'all. My name is
So you, Mr. Got it. Sir, alleged you committed the offense of burglary. The bond in those matters is $20,000. Will you be able to make bond, sir?
No, I do not have my wallet with that type of money, sir.
Understand. I'm going to appoint counsel to assist you. And your next court date is going to be August the 5th at 8 a.m. courtroom 201. August the 5th, 8 a.m. courtroom 201. Thank you, sir.
Did you say you had a bond?
Nah, he told me my bond was 20,000.
Okay, so if you can make the bond, you should get it.
12% of that.
12 to 15.
Good morning. What's your name, sir?
Brian Daniel.
All right, Mr. Daniels, good morning. Mr. Daniel, it's alleged that you committed the offense of DUI, alcohol, safe, obstruction of an officer, improper lane change, a seatbelt violation, as well as having expired tags. Do you understand, sir, or do you require to be read to you?
No, sir. I understand.
You understand? All righty. Your bond would be $5,500, but I'm going to allow you to sign out on an OR bond. I mean, you can sign yourself out. Do you understand? All right. A condition of your bond while on bond is that you're not to violate any more laws. Okay, sir?
Sir.
All right. Your next court date is August the 4th at 8 a.m. in courtroom 201. August the 4th, 8 a.m., 201. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Tell him your name, please, tell him your name.
Michael here.
Mr. Hare, good morning.
Morning, Judge. How are you?
Not too bad. Mr. Hare, it's alleged that you possess methamphetamines. That's the allegation. Do you understand the allegation, or do you want me to read it to you?
I understand it, sir.
All righty. Mr. Hare, the bond is $6,000. Will you be able to make bond?
Yes, sir.
All righty. Mr. Hare, I'm going to appoint counsel to assist you. And your next court date is the 5th of August, 8 a.m. in courtroom 201. Okay, sir?
Yes, sir.
All righty. Thanks much.
Morning.
Good morning, sir. Are you Mr. Tobias Johnson?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Johnson, it's alleged that you operated a vehicle DUI, alcohol, less safe, as well as having an open container. Do you understand the allegation, sir, or do you require it to be read to you?
I understand.
All righty. Sir, your bond is $2,500. Will you be able to make bond?
Yes, sir.
All right. I'm appointing counsel to assist you, Mr. Johnson, and your next court date is August the 4th at 8 a.m. in courtroom 201.
Okay, sir. I have one question, if you don't mind. Would I be able to do a signature line? Because I can pay that.
I think you have some prior DUI allegations, sir. So at this time, I'm not going to allow you to have an OR bond, but I'll give you a rather reasonable bond, okay?
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Tell him your name, sir, okay? And you walk to the podium.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
My name is Naveen Gandhi, sir.
Mr. Kandi, it's alleged that you have no driver's license and you failed to report accident. The bond is normally $1,500, but I'm going to allow you to sign yourself out. Okay, sir? All righty. I'm appointing counsel to assist you. Court date is going to be August the 4th, 8 a.m. in courtroom 201. August the 4th, 8 a.m. courtroom 201. You understand, sir?
Oh, yeah. Courtroom, sir. Courtroom.
201.
Oh, okay, sir.
Thank you.
Come on.
Come on.
Morning, sir. How you doing? Nathaniel Keith.
Mr. Kidd, good morning. It is alleged that you committed the offense of criminal trespass. Do you understand the allegation, or you require to be read to you, sir?
I understand, sir.
All right, Mr. Kidd, the bond is normally $2,000. I'm going to allow you to sign out at an OR bond. I mean, you can sign yourself out. But I do have an additional condition, sir, is that you'd have no violent contact with Miss Dion. How is her last name? Adeyemo?
Adeyemo, yes, sir.
Yes, all righty. No violent contact, no arguing, no pushing, no shoving. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All righty. I'm appointing counsel to assist you, and your name is August the 4th at 8 a.m. in courtroom 201. August the 4th, 8 a.m., 201. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
I cannot hear it.
On the podium?
Honor Eliel Lara Maldonado.
Good morning.
Morning.
It is alleged that you drove without a license. The bond is normally $1,000. I'll allow you to sign yourself out. Do you understand the allegations of what they're alleging you did?
Yes, sir.
All righty. I'm gonna allow you to sign yourself out. And while on bond, you're not to violate the laws of the state, okay? Appointing counsel to assist you, and your next court date is August the 4th, 8 a.m. in courtroom 201. August the 4th, 8 a.m., 201. Thank you.
Thank you.
Jasmine Sylvester.
Mr. Sylvester, it is alleged, your case is different, okay? It's alleged that you're a fugitive, that you're wanted from the state of Mississippi. You have an option to make. The option is whether or not you want to challenge extradition or waive extradition. First, I'll explain to you waive extradition, what that means. If you waive extradition, no, let me do it the other way. Let me tell you about challenging extradition. If you choose to challenge extradition, you can challenge extradition on 4 very limited grounds. The first is whether or not you are Mr. Sylvester. That's the first ground. 2, whether or not the paperwork is in order, okay, naming you as who you are and so forth. And 3, whether or not what you are charged with in the state of Mississippi is an actual offense. Those are the 3 limited grounds. And based upon those 3 limited grounds, the 4th one is whether or not you're a fugitive. That's the limited grounds you can challenge it on. If you choose to challenge extradition, you'll stay with us for an additional period of 30 days. If within 30 days, the law enforcement officials at the state level, do not get their paperwork straight, you will still you can still remain with us for an additional period of 60 days. If after 90 days, they don't have it together, then you'll be released. That's challenging extradition. Or you may choose to waive it. If you choose to waive it, you'll stay with us here for a very reasonable period. I can't tell you exactly how many days. But if, they'll be notified you're here. And if they don't come and get you within a reasonable period, all right. Do you understand challenging extradition and waiving extradition?
Yes, sir.
All right. Let me just ask you 2 quick questions. If you challenge it, how long could you stay with us for?
If I challenge it, like a week.
No. If you challenge it, you'll stay with us for over 90 days.
Okay.
Right. And if you waive it, you'll be released here, and you'll be released in a reasonable period of time. What is your decision regarding challenging or waiving extradition? Waiving. All right. I'm going to sign some paperwork here, and the sheriff there will have you sign. Okay, sir?
Okay.
Thank you much.
Good morning, sir. Ms. William Whitlock.
Mr. Whitlock, good morning. Mr. Whitlock, it's alleged you committed the offense of theft by shoplifting, the usual $1,000. I'm going to allow you to sign yourself out on an OR bond.
Thank you so much.
All right, you're welcome, Mr. Whitlock. Mr. Whitlock, I'm going to appoint counsel to assist you. And also, sir, your next court date is going to be on August the 4th at 8 a.m. in courtroom 201.
Sir.
Thank you, Mr. Whitlock.
Great day, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here we go, McCog.
McGoggle, give me 1 second. Sir, it's alleged that you offense of possession of marijuana greater than an ounce. Your bond is, well, let me slow down. It is alleged that you possess marijuana greater than an ounce. Do you understand the charge or the allegation, or do you require it be read to you?
Yes, sir.
You understand?
Sir.
All righty. The bond in that matter is $6,000. Will you be able to make bond, sir?
I'm sorry, I didn't hear you.
The bond is $6,000. Will you be able to make bond?
I don't even know. I can see it. My folks have it.
All right, sir. I'm going to appoint counsel to assist you, and your next court date is August the 5th at 8 a.m. in courtroom 201. August the 5th, 8 a.m. in courtroom 201. Okay, sir?
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
That's right. No, I guess we're gonna take this too. That's what I came from. Yeah. That's all right.
All right, Judge, that is it.
I have a request. Hold on a second. Give me 1 second.
Put your face mask back up. Want you back over here? Wanna go back over there? Okay.
All righty. Regarding Martin,
Right.
I'm going to request that you inform the folks up there that whenever counsel shows up, they can give me a call, and we're going to, we need to figure out what we can do to handle that today.
Does she know her attorney's number?
I have no idea what she knows.
You want to call her back up here so you can talk to her?
Sure, if she's still available.
Yeah.
Yes.
Hey, Ms. Martin, what is the name of your attorney, please?
I don't know. I was talking to my sister and my grandfather, and they just said that she would be up here. I know it's a woman. They didn't give me her name. They said she's supposed to be up here before 1.
All
Well,
right. Understand. All righty.
Judge,
Yes,
explain to her the extradition and how it works. I don't think she understands that.
I know. I went through it yesterday with her, and she didn't get it at all.
I'll just have her read the paper and we'll go from there.
And if they need to reach me, they can call me and we can try to do a Zoom with her attorney.
Okay.
All right. Thank you very much. All right. Thanks.
All right.
Thank you, sir.
All right.
Mhm.
I'll put it down.